Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a limited edition box, and this is from Glossybox, and this is their Easter egg 2022. So if you want to see what's inside in this Easter egg for this year, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing this year Glossybox Easter egg, and this one costs £25 for subscribers and £35 for non-subscribers, and available from 9 o'clock for subscribers and 12 o'clock for general sales. As always, lovely, all the exact info link will be in the description box below. So yes, I did my lineup spoiler of this Easter egg too, so if you want to check that on, I will pop on the top here. So this year design, lovelies, it's gorgeous. It's like Alice in Wonderland, I think. It's really gorgeous. This rose gold design, pink, I really love it. I will definitely reuse this one. This one is perfect to storage your brushes because you open it like this. It's easy to open. So yes, I'll definitely storage my brushes in here. So yes, let's open this Easter egg. So you open like that. You have the gold ribbon in here. I think they forgot to put the leaflet, but I will still tell you all the products, and if you want more depth description, just go on my lineup that I will pop on the top here. So let's see each product inside here. So the first thing here, that when I saw the spoiler of this product, I was really excited, and this is the Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire Highlighter. Just the packaging, it's gorgeous. Too Faced packaging is really gorgeous. When you open it, lovelies, it's open like a jewelry box. It's gorgeous, and it says it's your time to shine, and then you have the actual product. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Just the packaging is so fancy. The exact price, lovelies, I will pop in here. So yes, it has that peachy pinky goldy undertone. It's gorgeous. Let's swatch it if you want to swatch. So it's swatched like that. I don't know even if you can see it. It's like a subtle highlighter. I pop in here. I don't even know if you can see it, lovelies, but yes, it's gorgeous. Definitely I will use this one, and it's magnetic. You can hear that one. So yes, this is the first product, and it says this one of a kind highlighter is infused with real crushed diamond powder and light reflecting pearls for a brilliant fancy pink diamond glow that will have you on planet shimmer. Light up your complexion with pure pink radiance in a silky powder formula by swirling the jewel tone pearlescent shades together to create an ethereal custom glow all its own. Each highlighter is created with a unique marble pouring technique, ensuring no two highlighters will ever look the same, just like a real diamond. So yes, really gorgeous one. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Frank Body Glow Mask Smooth. It has 80 ml. I am pretty sure this is a full size, and it has the sealed on, which is a thumbs up. And here it says, glow on, I dare you. Apply a thick layer to face and neck twice a week. Massage into skin well and leave for 5 minutes. Rinse with cold water. So this is the second product that you will receive. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Holika. It's a Korean brand, and this is the Pure Essence Lip Balm Shea Butter. It's a full size too. And here it says a nourishing lip balm that soothes the chapped and dry lips quickly with shea butter. And I honestly prepare this kind of applicator when it comes with lip balm, because it's really easy to use. It's right hygienic in my opinion, because using at the moment kind of this applicator, and I always dip my fingers inside. I prefer more this one than that one. And yes, can't wait to try it. I love this brand, Holika. As I said, it's a Korean brand, so can't wait to try it. And it's a full size. And then the next one we have here, and this is from, I never heard from this brand before, Neil Wolf Miracle Rapid Blow Dry Mist for all hair type. Anti-freeze thermal protection blow dry accelerator with lightweight conditioners. 50 ml. How gorgeous. It has dual color. It has the, I think it's the water, and it's the like a purpley one. It's kind of oily effect, and you just need to shake it and it become like this. Really cute one. Let's smell it. I'm just gonna squeeze. Oh, it smells nice. I can't describe the smell, but it has perfume inside and it smells gorgeous. So I will try it and then I'll let you know more about this one, because I never heard this brand before. And it says Miracle Blow Dry Mist is formulated to speed up drying time. Made with a special blend of ingredients, it helps to add moisture, protect from heat damage, strengthen, reduce frizz and static, and even refresh and brighten color. Wow. So yes. And then the next one we have a few more products in here. So the next one we have is from Neil's Yard. This is the Wild Rose Hand Cream. Deeply nourishes and balance. Moisturize and soften with antioxidant wild rosehip oil and balancing blend of essential oils. It has 30 ml, perfect size when you travel. It has the sealed one. It has that relaxing scent like essential oil, like that. I know this is a travel size. And then the next one we have, oh, this is from Sachuan Hair Repair Mask. I love this brand. The products from this brand smells gorgeous, and it says intensive hair treatment for damaged and stressed hair. Frizz reduction, leave your hair manageable with a silky shine and a healthy look. So yes, and I know this is just a travel size. It has 30 ml. And the next product we have is from Revolution, the Sheer Brilliant liquid lipstick. I think the shade is gorgeous, perfect for everyday. I have in the shade Poise. I love it. It's a full size too. And then we have from number 7, this is the Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Serum. I tried this one before and it's a really good product. I know this is quite expensive, the full size. This one has 15 ml, but it's really good. And it says, for best result, use morning and evening, smooth onto your skin and neck after cleansing, then moisturize. Yeah. And then we have also the product that this is the only product that I won't use. This is from Saint Tropez Self Sun Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. Here we go. It has 14 ml, so this is just a deluxe sample size. As I said, I never use fake tan, so yes, this is the only product that I will not use. And then the next one we have here, and this is from DHC. This is a product I'm really excited to try too. This is the Deep Cleansing Oil. Follow me for a while. I don't really like the feeling on my skin. I have dry skin, so I kind of really need some oil for hydration. But the only product that I use is the Emma Hardy one. But I will still try this one, because I don't really like the feeling of oily stickiness on my skin. But yes, I will still try this one because I really heard good reviews about this product. And this one has 30 ml. It says dispense into dry hands, then massage onto dry face to dissolve makeup and other impurities, rinse thoroughly. So it's like makeup remover one. Ooh, we'll try this one and let's see. And the last product we have here, I think, and this is from a perfume. This is from Jennifer Lopez, and this is the one Eau de Parfum. It's a travel size, which is allowed. I prefer more this kind of size than the full size, to be honest. And it looks like this. Really cute packaging. And let's smell it. It smells nice. It's not really overpowering scent. Yes, I will definitely try this one. I'm using at the moment the Ariana Grande, which is I love this one. So yeah, that's all for my unboxing. Let's do a recap, lovelies. You will receive a travel size perfume from Jennifer Lopez, the one. And then you will receive a fake tan, which is from Saint Tropez, the Self Sun Purity. And then you will receive the DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. And then you will receive number 7 Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Serum, the Nils Yard Wild Rose Hand Cream, and then Sichuan, one of my favorite brand, Hair Repair 30 ml, and then full size Revolution, the Sheer Brilliant in the shade Poise, lovely shade. And then you will receive a full size from Holika, the Shea Butter Lip Balm. And then this one I'm really curious to try too, the Neil Wolf. It's not easy to read the brand. And this is the Rapid Glow Dry Mist for all hair types. And then you get Frank Body Glow Mask, smooth. And then the Too Faced, gorgeous one, Too Faced highlighter, the Diamond Light highlighter. So yes, that's all, lovelies. Overall this year too, for me, it's a real thumbs up, lovelies. I really do like the products inside. I'll definitely use every single product. Except for the fake tan, because I don't use fake tan. But I love this year Glossybox Easter egg too. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this box? Are you thinking to purchase it? If you subscribe to them, lovelies, you will get a priority access. I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you will get your subscription box for only £10, including the shipping fee. So yes, all the info as always, lovelies, will be in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes or limited edition boxes. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.